no place like home. I am super excited to have y'all here with me today because today I'm going to show y'all my summer coffee station. I have everything all set up, and I also going to show y'all my table that I already set up for the summer, and I'm also going to show y'all a vignette that I have set up for summer. Okay, so sit back and relax, and I'm going to say, here we go. And this is also a DIY that I did. It used to be like for ladders and stuff. I turned it into a napkin holder. And I wanted to show y'all these cups. These is some old cups. My mother-in-law had them, and there was only 3 of them, but they are so different. And so that's the reason why I'm going to display it. I want to show y'all my lemon squeezer. It's old, but some people may still use them. I don't know, but I think I might use it and make me some good old lemonade because it's so hot here in Texas. Okay. Okay, everyone. I hope y'all enjoyed this video today, and I'm about to have me some tea. I think it's just about ready. I have my cup here. But before I go, I would like to thank y'all for being here with me today in my home. And I hope y'all enjoyed it just as much as I did, because I always enjoy each time we are together. I hope y'all be blessed and be safe. Still take care of yourself out there. So I saw on the news that the president did have COVID, but he's doing okay. We're going to pray, keep him in our prayer, that God will heal him speedily. And also, I just want to say that God do love you so much, and so do I. Y'all be safe, be blessed, and may God forever bless you, each and every one of you, and keep you safe. And as that been said, I'm going to say goodbye, and I'm about to have my tea.